Channel, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We're going to get started with the first keyword for the day, but before we get started, please make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. You click on the bell icon in order to be informed of all our new everyday videos. We share videos about profitable Amazon KDP keywords using the 4 free Chrome extensions that I've outlined in a video linked below, as well as strategies and tips to get started making money online. So subscribe and stay tuned for more. First of all, the first keyword for the day is Monster Truck Coloring Book. Now, Monster Truck Coloring Book has a keyword niche score of 48. The total results are below 1,000, totaling 918, and the average bestseller rank is 387,879. We also have the average reviews sitting at 665, and the average price is $7.69. All this prove that this is a profitable keyword. It's a great keyword, and for this sake, I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro. And there is basically a couple of different books that are ranking under this keyword that are not sponsored, so that there is no ads running. And this is a great example right here: Monster Truck Coloring Book for kids ages 2 to 4. And this is actually another keyword that you can have a look at and investigate the profitability of, because it does niche down to kids that are aged between 2 and 4 years old. So toddlers and preschoolers as well fall under this category, and it is selling for $6.99. Currently has a bestseller rank of 39,835 and completely and fully sold by Amazon, independently published. So they have managed to create this book and get it ranking, get the sales up and running with only 20 coloring pictures as well. So you also need to have a look at the categories. It is currently ranking in 195 in children's car and truck books, which is great, and it's been published October the 1st, 2022. So it's just under a year as well. Another book that is also ranking is the Monster Truck Coloring Book for Kids, also having a bestseller rank of 4,996, priced at $5.99, and this one's been categorized under trucks and vans category. So one thing that you could do is you could head over to Creative Fabrica, for example, and just have a look at the KDP interiors as well under Monster Truck. Let's see if there is anything that comes up under this keyword. And we'll see if there is any sort of coloring sheets, coloring pages. There is this one. There is a massive 200 Monster Truck coloring pages that is sized at 8.5 times 11. So this is a great large print size. A lot of space for kids to doodle. There is also the Monster Truck Scissors Skills, which can also be used both as a scissor skills activity book and as a coloring book as well. Because once the kids are able to have access to this coloring book, they'll be able to color in the cars, the trucks, as well as cut out. So we're working on a couple of multiple skills here as well. So have a look at the interiors, and also remember to save time by filtering according to KDP interiors. And you can go ahead and get a 30-day free trial, all access to Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below as well. So if you do not find anything that you're happy with, you can also go to Spark and you can click on Create Coloring Pages and just write in a prompt. For example, a coloring page of a monster truck driving on a on a road path or anything, for example, like that. Remember, if you are looking for creating a coloring book on monster trucks, you do need to estimate, or you do need to identify your target audience. For example, is it children under 5, like for example aged between 2 to 4, such as the keyword that we are going to have a look at right now, or is it children that are between 10 to 12, because the sophistication, the minimalistic design also does differ, and it attracts different target audience. So with children that are 2 to 4, for example, you need more of a basic coloring sheet, minimal as well. And for children that are a preteen or a bit smaller, around the age of 8, it needs to be a bit more sophistication, a bit more outline, shadow work, all that sort of stuff. So monster truck coloring book for kids ages 2 to 4, not a profitable keyword, because it does have a very low keyword niche score by both self-publishing titans as well as Amazon Scout Pro. Also, the total results are above 1,000. And the bestseller rank is above 300,000 mark, which indicates lack of profitability. For the sake of this video, I'm going to stick to monster truck coloring book because the analytics are quite promising in terms of profitability. Now let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword for the day is autism books for kids 3 to 5, and it has a keyword niche score of 43. Total results, yes, I understand it is a little bit too high, but they are below 5,000. So we have the total results 4,572. But what really got me triggered what really got me interested and motivated about this niche or this keyword is you're able to sub niche according to many different things, such as the gender of the child, the types of books. Is it educational? Is it funny? Is it more of a flashcards based kind of mini book? Is it a bedtime autism book for kids to 3 to 5? So there's a lot of potential to niche down, and this is where you could cut down on the total results by niching down and by providing that educational twist as well. I love that the bestseller rank is under 300,000. It is currently sitting at an average of 207,233, and we do have the average reviews of 6,124, and the average price is $9.44. Highly advise you to embark on this niche. Highly advise you to sub niche as well according to whatever kind of books you're willing to create. Is it an activity book? Is it a bedtime story? Is it a workbook? Is it more of a kind of flashcard type of word picture book? A lot of different ways you can be able to even extend further and really cut down on the total results and stand out at the same time. So the third and the final keyword for today's video is autism book for kids 5 to 7. The previous keyword was autism books for kids 3 to 5. So you're creating more of a minimalistic, kind of very straightforward, very basic kind of books. These ones are more for children in that primary school age between 5 to 7 years old. Then again, nothing else is indicative, whether it's for boys, whether it's for girls, whether it's funny, whether it is educational, trace books, anything kind of like that. But I do love the analytics. First of all, the keyword niche score 55, total results are 1,685, and the average bestseller is 75,194. We do have the average reviews of 2,739, and I do apologize for any sort of background noise you'll be able to hear. I do have 2 ill children at home who I am supervising in front of me while doing this video, so thank you so much for your patience. And the average reviews are 2,739. Average price is $9.46. So I do love the analytics section for this keyword compared to the previous one, yet all 3 keywords in today's video are profitable, and I highly advise you to embark on them. Highly advise you to also do your own research in terms of trademarked labels and trademark items as well. And if you did enjoy today's content, please like, share, subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.